Step 1. Go to the garden and find some leaves. Cut off the stem, get some paper, put the leaf inside, fold it over and just get a good iron and on low heat, just iron over the paper with greaseproof paper. Get all the moisture out of that leaf till it's nice and dry and flip it over the other side. Step 2. Find a good background for your frame. I found some leftover wallpaper, some gold paint spray, and just spray the frame gold. Just a cheap frame from a local shop. Arts and craft shops are good for getting your paint and your spray from, for really cheap too. So just go ahead and just keep on spraying all of it so it's lovely and gold. So I went ahead and sprayed the leaf gold with this spray and the frame. Now here comes the exciting part. Just put it all together. So get your blue backdrop, get your gold leaf, the glass from the frame, and put your photo frame all together. So excited how it's going to turn out. Doesn't that leaf so beautiful? Love gold and blue. And just put it all together. And it should turn out like this. Doesn't it look so nice on the wall? Blue and gold. How royal.